Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're going to talk about how to extend the life of your fence. With the right care and maintenance, you can keep it looking great for years to come. Let's get started. First up, regular inspections. Check your fence at least twice a year for any signs of damage, like loose boards, rust, or rot. Catching these issues early can save you time and money down the line. Step 2 is proper cleaning. Use a pressure washer or a scrub brush to remove dirt, mold, and mildew. This not only keeps your fence looking good but also prevents decay. Next, let's talk about staining or painting. For wooden fences, applying a good stain or paint every few years creates a protective barrier against moisture and UV rays. Choose high-quality products for the best results. Fourth, repair damages promptly. If you notice any loose boards or rusty hinges, fix them immediately. This prevents small problems from turning into big issues. Step 5 is proper landscaping. Keep plants and shrubs trimmed away from the fence. Overgrown vegetation can trap moisture and promote rot, so give your fence some breathing room. Lastly, consider using a fence sealant. This adds an extra layer of protection, especially for wood fences, and can help repel water and insects. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can extend the life of your fence and keep it looking fantastic. Make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.